Hello dear learners, I welcome you to the today's video lecture on antiseptics and disinfectants repeatedly asked questions. This video includes repeatedly or frequently asked questions in board examinations which will help you to score good in theory. Now, as far as antiseptics and disinfectant deals, the important questions which you cannot skip from board examination point of view are I have enlisted here. These are I have enlisted here. Question number 1 says, classify antiseptics and disinfectants. Now, this classification of antiseptic and disinfectant, in our earlier videos we have seen, I have given you the trick to remember the classification of antiseptics and disinfectant. So, that is same as in video which is given, you are supposed to write. Then, next question in combination with this is, give the structure of chlorocresol along with the chemical name. Now, this structure carries 1 mark along with the chemical name and classification carries 2 marks. Total carries 3 marks, or it can be asked for 4 marks also. Give the structure of chlorocresol along with the chemical name. Now, chlorocresol, when you will study the classification, you will come to know that chlorocresol is one of the antiseptic disinfectant which belongs to phenol class. They are phenolic derivatives. Question number 2 says, define and classify antiseptics and disinfectant. Now, this question is for 3 marks. Definition is for 1 mark, classification is for 2 marks. The classification trick I have already given to you. Then definition of antiseptic and disinfectant. Antiseptic is different, disinfectant is different, you are supposed to write and classify. So, this can also come for either 3 or 4 marks. Next question, question 3, give the difference between antiseptic and disinfectant and give the structure of chlorocresol. Now, here this question also can be asked for 3 or 4 marks. Now, definition along with the detailed classification between detailed difference between antiseptic and disinfectant, I have included it in the video itself. You will come to know when you will go through the videos. Then give the structure of chlorocresol. Again, the same question is being repeated, so you can see here the chlorocresol structure is really very important. Okay, so chlorocresol structure which belongs to phenolic class. Now, chlorocresol is also known as para-chloro-metacresol. Cresol is nothing but presence of CH3 at meta position on phenol. So, it is also called as PCMC, that is para-chloro-metaphenol. Now, this question comes for 3 or 4 marks. If the difference is asked for 2 marks, you are supposed to write the minimum 4 points. If the question is asked for 3 marks, you are supposed to write minimum 6 points. The details are being included in the video of difference and definition. Then, coming towards the next question, draw the structure of drug containing following heterocycle. Now, these heterocycles might be asked in exam, and you are supposed to draw the structure of that drug along with the name. This question carries 1 mark. Now, the question is, draw the structure of antiseptic disinfectant containing acridine ring. Now, acridine is 3,6-diaminoacridine. Since this 3,6-diaminoacridine contains acridine ring in the structure. Now, which is the antiseptic disinfectant? Proflavin. Proflavin is the antiseptic and disinfectant which contains acridine moiety in it. Acridine moiety we have discussed in detail in the nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. When on acridine ring at 3rd and 6th position, there will be presence of amino group. It will give you 3,6-diaminoacridine, which is nothing but proflavin. Now, this is also the very favorite question of the examiners, which is being frequently asked in the exam. Next question is, write the structure chemical name, properties and uses of chloroxylenol. Now, chlorocresol, till now we have seen that chlorocresol is one of the important drug of which structure is asked. Now here you can see chloroxylenol, they have asked the structure, chemical name, properties as well as uses. So this is the another most important drug. Now chloroxylenol, same as that of chlorocresol, belongs to phenolic compounds. Chloroxylenol is also known as PCMX, that is para-chloro-metaxylenol. Same as that of cresol, xylene is nothing but when both meta positions carries CH3 group on phenol, it is xylene. And when this chloro means CH3 position benzene ring is xylene, and since it is phenol hydroxy, it is all and then chlorine at para position. So it is para-chloro-metaxylenol. So this question comes for 4 marks, 1 marks each. Question number 6 is describe quaternary compounds or cationic surfactants. So these are known by both the names, quaternary compounds or cationic surfactants, as antiseptics and disinfectant. That means a complete note is asked on the quaternary compounds or cationic surfactants, which is for 4 marks, including what are they, how they are formed, what is the mechanism of action of quaternary compounds, what are the examples of quaternary compounds, and few of the features. So this question carries 4 marks. This complete note on quaternary compound also I have included in the video. Question number 7 is give the uses and dosage forms of. Now uses and dosage forms of both the drugs are asked. So the drugs are hexachlorophene, antiseptic and disinfectant is hexachlorophene and cetrimide. You cannot call it as a particularly drug, it's an antiseptic disinfectant. So hexachlorophene and cetrimide, they are asking you for the uses and dosage form. So now if we are supposed to summarize these questions, then summary says classification of antiseptic and disinfectant is important, definition is also important, their difference is also important, then structures along with the complete note of chloroxylenol and structures of chlorocresol and proflavin are important. Then a complete note on quaternary ammonium compounds is important, and uses and dosage forms of hexachlorophene and cetrimide. Now from this summary you will come to know that how much important this chapter is, antiseptic and disinfectant. With this I thank you all for patient listening. I have also included the link in the description box for the detailed videos of antiseptics and disinfectant, which includes definitions, difference, classification, a note on quaternary ammonium compounds, and whatever the other questions were being asked in the exam, everything I have included in the same. Thank you.